This news is going to completely blow your mind. Google has announced its latest AI model, Gemini. This is a revolutionary tool that dwarfs all of its competitors, including the mighty GPT-4. Stick around till the end of the video to understand why you will not need any other AI tool once Gemini is up and running. Welcome back, everyone. It's time for AI. Here we cover the latest news and breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence. Today, we're talking about Google's Gemini AI and why it has the potential to surpass all other AI models. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button so you can stay up to date on everything hot in the field of AI. Short for Generalized Multimodal Intelligence Network, Gemini is a large AI model that is capable of handling many different forms of data as input, while also offering the capability of performing a multitude of tasks. In this video, we'll cover the exact capabilities of Gemini, while breaking down the revolutionary technology behind it. We'll also show you how you can leverage this incredible tool to take your creations to the next level. If you have used tools such as Midjourney or GPT, comment below what your experience has been with them. What is Gemini? It's a multimodal AI network that is capable of handling text, images, audio, video, 3D models, and even graphs as input and performing various analytical and editing tasks on them. Demis Hassabis, CEO of DeepMind, recently revealed that Google has spent hundreds of millions of dollars on the development of Gemini. This proves Google's commitment to the AI race as they aim to catch up with the revolutionary progress being made by Microsoft-owned OpenAI. Hassabis also revealed Gemini was created by leveraging the transformative techniques from AlphaGo, the AI program that defeated a champion player in the game Go back in 2016. Gemini is a network of AI models, each contributing one part of its overall capability. This type of architecture allows Gemini to handle different tasks simultaneously. The different models can collaborate, share, and learn from each other, making Gemini an incredibly versatile and powerful tool. Fundamentally, Gemini AI encompasses a next-generation AI architecture that is poised to replace Google's current AI model, Palm 2. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for regular updates on this fascinating world of AI. Gemini versus GPT-4. Google's aim is not to merely replicate existing models such as GPT-4. Gemini was created with the aim of delivering superior performance, rather than aiming for similar capabilities. Gemini transcends GPT-4 in many ways. Although GPT-4 is also a multimodal network, its capabilities are limited only to text and images, where Gemini, as mentioned previously, can operate on a much larger range of data types. By infusing the strategic planning and problem-solving capabilities of AlphaGo into Gemini, Google also aims for better performance on the same questions. Gemini also uses similar memory and lower computational resources than other multimodal models, and also employs a distributed learning strategy, which allows it to split its training onto multiple devices, which is basically like breaking up the process into smaller parts and running them parallelly. This means Gemini can learn much faster than its counterparts. As you can already see, the potential of Gemini is groundbreaking. Comment below what you would use a superintelligence like Gemini for. Different sizes of Gemini. The parameter count is the most basic way to represent the size and complexity of an AI model, and it is basically the number of numericals that serve as the learned knowledge of the model. Higher the parameter count, more complex the model, and greater is the potential for learning. However, higher parameter count comes with the caveat of greater size, and hence the need of more resources to store, deploy, and run the model. GPT-4, with 1.7 trillion parameters, is among the largest language models ever made. Gemini comes in 4 different sizes, called Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. Unicorn is probably the largest variant and comparable to GPT-4 in terms of parameter count. Uses of Gemini. Gemini's multimodal nature makes it applicable for many uses. Watch till the end to discover the most impressive among these. Multimodal summarization. This involves effectively representing data as different types. Examples for these would be summarizing an image in text, or summarizing a podcast or video in text. Gemini hence can combine its capabilities for different types of data and generate output similar to that of a human when it comes to representing data in different forms. Multimodal translation. This involves translating data between different types. For example, generating subtitles for a video, or generating an audio summary of a large piece of text, or describing the elements of an image using voice or text. Gemini can hence leverage its visual, auditory, and textual powers to translate data between these types. Multimodal generation. This use case involves generating data of different forms based on the input. Creating a song, generating a video, or writing a story are just some examples of this use case. Multimodal reasoning. This is Gemini's most impressive use yet. Multimodal reasoning, or MMR, is a new branch of AI which deals with processing information from multiple sources and analyzing them as belonging to the same entity. This involves evaluating the data, recognizing patterns, and combining data to create meaningful scenes for analysis. In layman's terms, this would mean that Gemini can watch, listen, and read all at the same time and perform reasoning on the information it has assimilated. Imagine AI watching a movie and outputting a complex critical analysis of the script, videography, and soundtrack all at the same time. As you have seen in this video, Gemini has the potential to dwarf all other AI tools out there if it lives up to Google's promises. In our opinion, this is the closest humanity has gotten to achieve artificial general intelligence. It will surely be exciting to see how Gemini's future unfolds. By leveraging its improved reasoning and planning capabilities and taking advantage of its multimodal nature, there are very few things that will remain out of reach from Gemini's powers. Thank you for watching It's Time for AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll be back again shortly.